is I decided to try the Krispy Kreme donut. So for our ingredients, for the toppings of our donut, the Doughnut Glaze, I will be using half cup of butter again, and we will also use powdered sugar, and that's like 2 cups of powdered sugar, and we will also use 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 5 to 7 tablespoons of evaporated milk. So come on, let's do this. Okay, so while we are waiting for our donut butter to double in size, I now have here half a cup of butter which I melted in the stove. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this in to this 2 cups of powdered sugar. Mix this in until the powdered sugar will melt. Then afterwards, we will now include that's like 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So we continue mixing this until everything comes together. We will now put in the evaporated milk, but since I don't have an evaporated milk, what I will do is we can substitute the evaporated milk with water. That is, we're going to need like 5 to 7 tablespoons of evaporated milk or water. Now add in the water. We just have to put in little by little until we reach the consistency that we want. Just continue to mix it until there's no more lumps, and the butter has already incorporated very well with our mixture. So now that the glaze is ready, we will set this aside until we have cooked the donuts, and we will just have to dip this in. So in here I have the sugar and cinnamon coating. So after I have fried it, I will dip this straight away into this coating so that when it cools down, will stick to the donut. Okay, then I will put this here. Okay, for our glaze, what I did is I let the other donuts dry after I fry it, because for the glaze it's gonna be different. The oil is already dried with a paper towel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip this in our glaze. I think not too much because it's a sweet, or it depends on you on how much sweet you want or sweetness you want. Okay, so just let that one dry or the others dry. And what I'm going to do with the other donuts is I'm not going to put any toppings, or I will not roll it in a sugar, because I'm going to use it as a bread. So that's my Krispy Kreme inspired donut. So that's it. I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box. So I just noticed that all of you that are watching my YouTube channel is not subscribed. So please guys, it would mean so much to me if all of you are subscribed to my channel. Okay? Thanks. See you all in another one.